Hello, how you doing today? This is how I'm going to show you today how to factory reset LG Tribute Dynasty. Now make sure that the phone is completely off. Locate the power button on the back, volume down, press and hold both buttons for 15 seconds. And just come on, release both buttons. When this screen comes up, locate the wipe data factory reset. Press the power button to select. Go down to press yes, delete all user data. Again, to select, press the power button. And this is how you factory reset the LG Tribute Dynasty. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day.